What are you doing, you meathead? You know, a woman died doing that. There's a woman in a limousine who was standing up doing exactly what this moron is doing and took a bird in the face. And she died. I think that's quite funny. Oh wow, you really are new at this, aren't you? Check this out. Trikes aren't bikes. Trikes aren't bikes. You know what veteran license plates mean? They mean I'm a slow, shitty driver. That's what veteran plates mean on a vehicle. I don't even know where the hell I'm going. Look at this, 24 hours BC Forest. Post Creek ratepayers, fire access area, no camping or parking or shooting. That's cool. I'm guessing this is a cabin you can rent? That'd be neat. I don't know where that goes. My bike's hot. Yeah. So what do you think? Should we go down here? No, through the road. What do you think? There's a gondola. There's a nice house. These are people that want nothing to do. Oh, you can't smell that. Oh, pine trees. I love it. I love the smell of pine trees. Where does this go? Oh my goodness. These are some summer cottages, I'm sure, and some permanent residents. I could live out here. 100%. Yeah. Hey, there's some rentals out here. Interesting. Where the fuck shit does this go? Well, let's go here. Oh, look at that place. That's pretty nice. Oh, there you go. I like that. Mm-hmm. Fantastic. People probably think I'm scoping the place out because this is so isolated. You do get a lot of scumbag activities. Oh, I love that. Huh. Interesting, man. You do get a lot of scumbag activity out here. Bloody nuisance. Well, thanks for coming along. If I haven't said it already, I'm saying it again. Let's record myself blowing a 4-way stop. You can turn off your signal light. Oh, by the way, Parkzilla, she's been behaving. She's quite boring now. She got a brand new BMW SUV. You know, it's white. Fits her blonde hair just perfectly. She's been parking it like a normal human being.